From a verbal threat to an official warning, the US has alleged China of launching cyber attacks to steal its COVID vaccine research. It is time to take off the gloves against Chinese cybercrime, but the big question remains, is China stealing vaccine research from the United States? Is the thief denying the benefit of this theft? The FBI has alleged China of targeting U.S. organizations engaged in COVID-19 research. FBI, along with CISA, have issued a joint statement accusing malicious Chinese hackers of trying to steal U.S. coronavirus vaccine research. China has restricted its own researchers from sharing coronavirus research. It has refused to hand over early virus samples. Chinese research institutions have even tried to copy and patent leading U.S. drugs sent to China for trials. Some argue science should be open and shared, especially during a pandemic. But Beijing clearly doesn't see it that way. Chinese leadership knows that stealing research can net huge gains. And China isn't the only country playing this game, but it is by far the worst offender. This is a wake-up call. China needs to be deterred from its widespread and continued use of state-sponsored cybercrime. The US-China economic relationship is complex. The trade agreement with Beijing is still being tested, but China cannot steal its way to economic dominance in the wake of crisis. The pandemic has brought the US economy to a virtual standstill. It has claimed more lives than the total number of infections in China. The warning is the latest iteration of a series of efforts by the Trump administration to blame China for being the source of the pandemic and exploiting its aftermath.